Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro. So, we need to use single press to adjust the volume. At the back side of the earbuds, right here actually at the top, we have a SOUNDPEATS logo. This is actually a touch area, so let me play some song. And if you press one time at your right earbud, this touch area, you will increase the volume. And as you can see at this widget, I just increase it. To lower it, use your left earbud and again press one time. And as you can see at this widget, I just lower the volume. Now, what you should do if it doesn't work, because with these headphones it happened. Open SOUNDPEATS application, and after that, of course, you need to add these earbuds to the application, and then click at the equalizer icon at the left bottom. And right here at the last line, we have a button what called disable touch key, and it actually disable a single press for your earbud, and you can't change the volume. So if you have it enabled, just click on it one time and you will disable it, and then you can change the volume. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.